Hi, I'm Swati Jain. I'm the UA team lead for Rational Focal Point. This is the second part of integrating Rational Focal Point with the Rational Solution for Collaborative Lifecycle Management demonstration series. In the part 2 of this demonstration series, we configured the integration between Rational Focal Point and Rational Solution for Collaborative Lifecycle Management applications. This demonstration shows how to register Rational Focal Point as an incoming consumer in the CLM server, how to establish the connection with the CLM server in Rational Focal Point, configure attributes for storing CLM artifacts in Rational Focal Point, and how to add view commands for bulk operation. To establish the connection between the CLM applications and Rational Focal Point, create a consumer key and secret in the Rational Solution for CLM server. You must create separate consumer key and secret for requirement management and change in configuration management application. To register Rational Focal Point as an inbound consumer on the CLM server, log into the CLM server using the administrator credentials. So now we'll create a consumer key and secret in the CLM server for accessing the requirement management application. Make a note of the generated consumer key. You need the key to add the application server as a friend in Rational Focal Point. Similarly, register Rational Focal Point in the change in configuration management application. We'll add a functional user to the IBM Rational Focal Point consumer key on the Jazz Team server so that every time when a request is sent to the Jazz Team server from Rational Focal Point, the login credentials information is bypassed. Now we'll use the consumer keys that we generated for Rational Focal Point in the CLM server in Rational Focal Point to establish the connection with the CLM application. To do this, in Rational Focal Point, we add a friend's outbound entry and specify the CLM server root services URI and the generated consumer key and the secret. In rational focal point, we must configure an integration link attribute to store the links to the CLM artifacts. When adding this attribute, we must specify the CLM application and the project area from where artifact links are stored in the attribute. So now we'll create a project area in the requirement management application and name it as a sample requirement. Now add two integration link attributes for the business needs module to store the links from the requirement management application and change in configuration management application. Generally, a large number of business needs are prioritized and then artifacts are created on the rational solution for CLM applications. Instead of creating one artifact at a time, you can use the OSLC view command option in rational focal point to publish and create links for all of the business needs with a single click. So now we'll add a view command to publish artifacts from rational focal point to the requirement management application. Similarly, we'll add another view command to create a project with business needs in the change in configuration management application.